Okay, let's do negative integer arithmetic with the Casio FX-260 Solar II. Let's say I want to do something like -4 minus -3, okay? So to do that, all right, you type in 4 and then the negative from the plus or minus key, not the subtraction key. Then you say subtract, then you type in 3 and the negative key, and then press equals. This gives you -1. Two negatives make a positive, right? And then you have a -4. Signs are different. You take the sign of the larger number, right? It's not quite true. Okay, how about -5 plus -8? How about that? Well, 5, you press the plus or minus key, right? You add, you take 8, you press the plus or minus key, you press equals, -13, right? Signs are the same, you add, and then you keep the sign. How about -5 times -16, right? Same thing, 5 plus or minus key times 16 plus or minus key equals, and gives you 80. Two negatives make a positive, right, when you multiply. -8 divided by -16, let's say, right? 8 negative, divide 16 negative equals 0.5. Okay, how about something like -8 squared? What is that? Well, if you put 8, you put a negative, right? And then you square it, it's going to give you 64. Okay, so the calculator is taking -8 times -8. Two negatives can get positive. 8 times 8 is 64. And the last one, something like 5 take away 8 squared. Let's do that. Take in 5, and then you subtract 8 squared equals -59. Okay, that's 5 take away 64, which gives you -58. Okay, I hope this was informative. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends, your teachers. I hope you have a great semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.